and I'll be showing Trendy Tags. Trendy Tags was a project um, that was geared towards helping people understand which hashtags to use in their social media. It would recommend hashtags, show you trending hashtags, show you niche communities and which ones are trending and which ones are dying. It'll also show you communities that are worth including in your brand or doing some kind of outreach to get new possible customers to view your products or services. So let's start with the hashtag recommendation, and we can put in a topic or a hashtag in here, and you can actually see the different hashtags it recommends. It uses a pretty sophisticated algorithm that seems to be the tried and true out there in the social media community, where it includes, I think it's 2 to 3 highs, several medium density hashtags. Chooses ones that are, it tries to choose ones as much as it can that are trending upwards, and also some low density ones. Some of these might seem a little, odd, like they don't fit, but really what it's trying to do is outreach to up-and-coming communities or niche communities and so forth that use that particular hashtag. And so automatically recommend those for you, or you can select, of course, your own ones that you want to use. If you wanted to customize it, maybe some of these just don't match exactly the type of, say, in this case, development that you're targeting for. You can also go to trending, and here we find a number of different trending hashtags, and as you can see, there was a recently the Emmys went on, so it picked it up immediately and shows that growth that's happening in there. As you can see, there's a lot of different international hashtags as well, and so you can really grow your community even globally with using some of these trending hashtags. So then that way new communities and people can see what your products offer or services. And here you can see, this is a documentary that's been trending. Shows you the number of daily average posts and the growth. And as you can hover over each of these, it shows you the number. And sometimes it can actually figure out related hashtags as well. We go over to niches. And in all of these, I think I'm just showing the top 200 or so, but we actually have calculated over somewhere around 14 million different hashtags, trying to look for the best in each of these areas. And as we scroll down, we see lots of interesting ones here. Here's online business growth, doing pretty well during all this time, and spikes. And if we go over to communities, these are ones that have stable growth upwards. And as you can see, if we look at canning during the quarantine, it's pretty popular thing to do. Has a growth of 14%, pretty high average change, and as you can see, quite a lot. And what we've also done is figured out the other hashtags that are related to it, or that make up this particular community, and show the growth, the density. So that's the number of hashtags in that's always posted. Competing in high density ones is tough because usually you'll post and then it'll get lost in the feed. And then we also show kind of a trend line here. As you can see, there's quite a lot in here. And a nice simple about page to kind of tell people what we're doing here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for exploring Trendy Tags, and have a good one.